Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down a little bit to find wallpaper and style. As you can see here, we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Right here, just by swiping, you can also change the style for the lock screen clock. However, I don't want to waste the time for that. However, a quick disclaimer, here we've got some colors palette, and basically this option is cool because your device will take the colors from the wallpaper you will apply and also apply it to the menu. So it is really cool, and I highly recommend to customize your device even more. Alright, but let's focus on the wallpaper. Simply tap on more wallpapers, which is right here, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of albums from which we can pick the wallpaper from. Here we've got some AI wallpapers, which are pretty. We've got also My Photos, which is your gallery, and here's some pre-installed options also. So all you have to do is to simply find the wallpaper you want to set and basically tap on the option. I have no idea which one to choose because we've got a lot of beautiful options to choose from, as you can see. Let me pick maybe this one. And as you can see, after tapping on it, you can check the preview of how it will look like on the lock screen. If you want to, you can check the home screen also, and basically this is the option we want to focus. And you can change also the position of the photo, of the wallpaper, so you can set it just like you want to. And basically, after positioning it, just tap on the wallpaper in the right upper corner. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen or both home and lock screen. So let me pick this option. And let's wait patiently. Alright, and as you can see, the colors changed because here we had those taken from the previous wallpaper, and right now we've got this greenish, yellowish, and kind of bluish tones, which are based on the wallpaper. So we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.